my bachelorette weekend. These flip-flops on clearance, 90 cents each one. Goodie bags for the girls are done. Very tiny. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Camilla, for those of you that are new here. I'm super excited. I feel like I start every video like, oh, this is a super exciting video but this one is actually really exciting because it's my bachelorette weekend and me and my bridesmaids are going to Madeira Beach. It's like 45 minutes from where I live, so it's not that far. I didn't want to go too far because one of the bridesmaids, my sister-in-law, she is pregnant and she is 36 weeks. That is why I put the bachelorette party like way in advance, because I wanted her to be able to enjoy it and be there with us. That is why it's right now, but we still have a long way to go until the wedding. It was supposed to be in August, now we moved it to November. I am like, I don't know, I feel like I literally just got out of vacation. Oh my god, it is so red. I feel like I just got out of vacation like last week, so I'm not like really hyped. I am, but I'm not like as I'm supposed to be. Usually I get excited for like any little thing. Yeah, I don't know, I'm not as like excited as I should be, and I'm trying to like get excited and everything. It's literally tomorrow. I need to pack and I have to like do everything. I haven't unpacked my suitcase from our trip to QS, which was literally last week. We came back on Friday last week and it's Wednesday the next week, so it's almost been a week. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys little things that I got for my girls. I'm so excited. So I got these bags from Shein, literally $4 each one, so I got one for each girl in my that's going. And then inside I have these flip-flops. So I got these flip-flops and I put it in each one. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen these here in America too. But I got these sent from Brazil because I think it was cheaper, and I can just order like a whole bulk order, and my cousin had sent it to us, so that is what I did. And I got one for each girl, and then I got one for myself, and I got white, so we're all gonna be like matching. And I also have some robes that I want to set up and put it in the bag as well. And I also got makeup remover wipe and face masks, so I'm gonna put that in the beach bag that each one is going to get, and I'll set it up with you guys. So this video will be me packing my stuff and packing up the girls' things, so I'm so excited.
Baby, you could keep me going, 'cause you've been everywhere. Let me take up all the love you're showing. I need it more than air. And you know that I've been suffocating. You could be the one to help, but my issues are nauseating. I don't wanna bring you down.
I feel like that looks so bad. That literally took me so long. I don't know. I also have these cute little hair ties. I'm gonna give one to each bridesmaid because my mom literally got so many. So she found this at Walmart on clearance for $2. So she got all the ones that she found. So I also got these makeup remover wipes at Walmart. I'm pretty sure they were like 90 cents each one, so I just grabbed I think 4 or 5 of them. And then I got these at Target just now with my mom. We went, so it was buy 4 get 1 free. I was gonna grab the same ones, but they ran out of this one, so then I just went and I grabbed this watermelon one. But yeah, I just want to have like a little spa night or something with the girls, or they can also save these. But I'm also gonna add that to this little thing. I think I might just give this to them like this, and then the other 2 things, or the other 3 things, have that separated, like stacked or something. I don't know.
I just wanna love something about me, see something to open my eyes. Don't wanna be be the only one.
Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. So this one will just be mine. I'll have a bridesmaid one, but it's just the only one that's different from the rest, so that's why I just decided to just leave that out. But this is what it's looking like. I'm going to probably get some ribbon or twine or something that I have to like just put everything together, or I might just put it inside this like bag and just put everything in it and not do all of this, because I think this is just extra.
When I first met you then, thought you were nothing. You were just sitting on the couch with that red jacket. We didn't say a word, who would have thought that this would happen? The more we got to spend, my feelings growing. I didn't think I'd be attracted to your type, boy. The summer when we kissed, beginning of our secret love. Baby, you got me going all around you. I can't resist myself, cause I just need you here. The way you pull me in, your summer cologne's got me free. Summer cologne's got me falling to my knees. I don't need.
Hey guys, so goodie bags for the girls are done. I just left my house. I was in school for a little bit. I did 1 hour of school because I have to like go buy a dress for myself, so that's what I'm doing right now, because I told the girls that I wanted to do like a fancy dinner one of the nights, and then I ordered a dress from Shein and it literally looks so bad. I'll put a picture up here of how it looks. So I have to go buy a dress right now. Today is the day before the trip, so I'm praying I find something. It's 7 o'clock right now and it closes at 8, so hopefully I can find a dress in less than 30 minutes because I'm still on my way there. Yeah, I just wanted to update you guys a little bit before I just start going to the mall and everything. So yeah, that's what's going on. I really hope I can find a dress. Okay guys, so it is much later. My pimple has gotten so much redder, so much more red. I don't know. Like you guys saw before, I set out some shirts and outfits on my bed just so I can see the outfits together and like pair them, so then I don't overpack. That's a little tip for you guys, just setting things out and like already pairing it. So like these pants right here, this can go with like a bunch of these shirts right here, so that's why I like to set it out. But that's not why it came on. I just wanted to show you guys my dress that I got. I got it at Zara. Like I was explaining to you guys, once I got there it was like 7:30 and I literally had 30 minutes to find something. I found it in like 15 minutes, so I looked around the store, walked around, whatever. And sorry, I legit just sneezed, so my nose is like stuffed. But I got this like bodycon dress. It looks very tiny and this is a medium. Usually I get smalls, so yeah, I just got this right now. I just tried it on, so I'm not gonna put it on again, but it's really cute guys. So stay tuned for the next vlogs so you guys can see how this looks. After trying this dress on, it's like hitting me that it's like tomorrow and it's like for me, like oh my god, I'm so excited.
Something about you supernatural. I get goosebumps every time you call. Got me running through my fantasies.
I was trying on a bikini that I just bought at Target, so that's why I like changed outfits again. But I'm packing up my makeup bag because I'm packing a little bit more makeup than I did before, so I'm already keeping what I had in here from my vacation last week, which is like the basic. Then now I'm just bringing more eyeshadow brushes and some more like face and like blush and all of that. I noticed that my like brushes were always going to the bottom and just getting mixed up with all the makeup inside, but I don't want to have like a whole other bag just for them. So what I did is just grabbed an elastic. These like little hair elastics. I just put them around the brushes just to hold them together, and so it can move and everything and it still like stays together.
Tell me where the sparks come from. Don't know that we both bring some. Doing something that I can't explain. Lately, no, I'm not the same. You're just...
Hey guys, so it's the next day. I actually have to pick up a few things before we go. I'm excited. So I was gonna get like fake champagne, like apple, is it like those little like cider sparkling things? Yeah, I really wanted to get them. Okay, but that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed and liked coming along the packing process with me and setting up my girls' goodie bags. I'm really excited to give it to them and give them their flip-flops and everything. But oh my gosh, I'm really excited for this weekend. I'm gonna vlog everything, so that will be coming soon. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell to be notified when I post a new video. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Bye guys.
It's sunny out of most days. You'll never see the sky if you keep looking down. And if you take the wrong